Hey there, and welcome to another video tutorial over the LT browser. In this video, we will take a look at how you can mark your bugs across your favorite team collaboration and project management tools like Jira, Asana, Trello, Slack, Microsoft Teams, etc. in just a single click. To begin with, launch the LT browser. Select the device resolution of your choice from the left menu bar. You can choose from various devices, including mobiles, tablets, desktops, laptops, or even a custom device. Enter the test URL of the website in the address bar and hit Enter. Your website will be loaded over the selected device. While viewing the website, if you come across any issue, you can always mark it as a bug and share it to your favorite tool. Just click on the camera icon and an inbuilt image editor will open up with a screenshot of your website. You can verify the device resolution from the bottom. In this editor, you will also find multiple buttons to highlight and annotate your UI bugs. You can draw shapes, underline, add text, choose colors, and do much more using these. After you have highlighted the bug, click on the Mark as Bug button. A new window will pop up where you can integrate with your favorite project management tools, bug tracking, or communication tool through LambdaTest. If your favorite integration isn't listed in the pop-up, no worries. Click on More Integrations and you can see the complete list of integrations available with LambdaTest. Choose your favorite tool and complete these steps to successfully integrate your LambdaTest account with that tool. You can even search it from the search bar for quick access. For each tool, we also have a step-by-step guide that you can open using the help icon. Once the integration is complete, you can see your favorite tool listed in the next window. You can then fill in the bug's details, set a priority, assign it to your team member, and add an optional description of the bug. You will see your integrated tool listed here with the default tick on it. It means that as soon as you click on the Create Issue button, the bug will be sent to this platform. So click on Create Issue and you will receive a prompt message confirming your bug has been marked successfully. That way, when you mark a bug on LambdaTest, it will be automatically shared on your projects or workspace so your colleague can access it. To learn more about LambdaTest integrations, you can refer to the playlist on the top right. Don't want to integrate with any third-party tool? No problem. We got you covered. LambdaTest's issue tracker will help you keep track of all marked bugs. To access them anytime, just go to the issue tracker from your LambdaTest dashboard and you can find the details of the bug marked here along with the screenshot. If you don't find your favorite tool in the list, feel free to reach out to our support and we would be happy to help you in getting the integration in place. We hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching. We also have a step-by-step guide in place for LT browser to help you in one-click bug logging. You can find its link in the description below. If you face any challenges, please reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. And yes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more helpful videos like this. Happy testing!